Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in a collaboration called Wow for Lemons, and it's hosted by the Jennifer at Home, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jean at Home and More, and myself, Soniadownsouth. And I am decorating my patio, one of my patio tables outside. And guys, it is awfully hot out there. And I'm really not a sunglass wearer, but in order to see what I'm doing, I needed these sunglasses. So I decided to put some sunglasses on and just keep drinking water as I set the table outside. When you finish watching my channel, I hope that you go over to the other ladies' channel and watch as they show you what they have for Wow for Lemons. So let's get started and go outside with me in all this heat and start doing my table. So let's go. Okay guys, I've already put the tablecloth on, and it's a little tablecloth with lemons and grapefruit in it. And I went out this weekend shopping for items that I could use to decorate my table with lemons. And that was the hardest thing to do, because last 2 weeks ago, I was out and I saw a lot of items that I could decorate the table with lemons. And this weekend, when I went out, there was nothing left. I guess it's very popular right now, but so I had to improvise. I had to do a few things different, but include lemons as much as I could. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm putting lemon water on the table in a canister, and it's one of my favorite drinks. I love to drink just pure water with lemon. So that's one of the things. And I'm also going to be putting glasses of lemon water on the table as well. These plates I purchased when I was in Hawaii, and they really got a Hawaiian look to them, but they also they have yellow in them, or like a deep color of yellow. And I thought that would be nice. Since I couldn't find any plates to go on my table, I thought I would just use these plates along with some bowls that had lemons on it to decorate. And here, these bowls match the tablecloth. They have grapefruits and lemons on them. So I was lucky enough to find these little bowls to go along with the tablecloth. Okay guys, as you can see, it's getting a little windy out here. So hopefully I could complete the table before the wind gets, really out of hand. I also want to share with you that I couldn't find any napkins for my decoration, so I DIY some towels, those kitchen towels. They were in a lemon theme, and so I decided to cut them down and make them into small little napkins for my table. And for outside use, I thought this was really nice to put these little jars. They're not glasses, they're jars. And I filled them also with lemon water. And I added a lemon to the jar. And besides the lemon water for the drinks, I added a few fruits to the table to snack on as you wait for the main meal that we're gonna have. And this is Memorial Day, guys, so just wanted to share that with you. Okay guys, here is my completed table for Wild for Lemons. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. And don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channels and watch their Wild for Lemons videos. This is Memorial Day, so may everyone have a safe and happy Memorial Day. And may God bless you and may God keep you. Bye-bye.